What is up, guys? Today we're playing Grow Garden again. Okay, I'm trying to post daily, but just posting daily at least. So let's see. Dear people said a garden is a rain garden, and I actually like it. I don't have any Robux. No need to donate. I just like it. I just grind games. There are blossoms already. By the way, is anyone down for a trade for Elder Candy Blossoms? I have one. I got it from a person. But I wouldn't. Never mind. I was supposed to say something, but it'd be him. Dude, what's this? Lord Pole? This ain't the Lord Pole. This is Girl. Got it. And how does Girl even have this? What's this? This is God. Inventions. Oh, nice. Let's go. Okay, let's get it. By the way, my username is Serious Hacker. Anyone's really... Who in the world is setting these off? Wait. Right. Okay, it's blonde here. Oh, this. What is this? Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. I placed a master sprinkler, hoping that. And I think this one. Wait here a sec. Okay. That one. It's a berry. I actually haven't seen this. I only see like golden mix or something. Okay, 2 chocolate sprinklers. Not bad. But Jeno forgot to do something. He let us teleport during the event, and after that, I was able to get a lot. And I think it just ran out because I can barely see anything. I mean, it's not that bad. Hey. Let's go see. What's that? What is that? That's for me. Event. Is Bro a tester accidentally joining a public or something? Like, that ain't possible. Never mind, I think it's possible. But, yo, Candy Blossoms. Yo, I never actually got them this hot. So, I love the garden. So let's see if we friend him. Friend him? Yeah, I can friend him. No. Wait, what's that? Oh, swan. Guys, by the way, can we have a countdown before the countdown for let's have a countdown for when until the lunar moon event come back in 2026. Came back in it first came out in 2025, but waiting for 2026. And what I heard about YouTube. Okay, let's see what's in the shop. Socks. By the way, looking for a give out for Elder Candy Blossoms. I'm not bluffing. Just joking. I'm not even trying to give it away. But we could do a trade. Give me your raccoon for my Elder Candy Blossoms. You got a deal. Cause I'm waiting for a raccoon for days. I ain't getting one. I never get one. The one that closest to me is so red. What's it called? Red raccoon or something? Can't tell. Yo! Bro did not just put on that, and I freaked out the moment I saw this. If I could steal it, I steal it. But I have one Roblox, so no. But I just grind. Here's my current garden. This is actually the second garden I had in my entire world garden. Can we switch plots or something? Jesus, it's now hard just to. I swear, I already switched plot yesterday. Let's go back to number 1. Jeez, let me show you my first one. Yes, I was in this. I was in the moon, and these aren't pets. And somehow I got lucky enough to get this. I don't even know how. It was an old one. I did not get 13 years. I opened it this year. And here's my moon melons. Do you like it? Tell me what's your favorite event of all 2025 and 2026. Because for me, this was maybe one of Jendal's events. Okay. Busy Bee update. Busy Bee update and summer. Those were my 2 favorites. What's your guys' favorites? Comment down below. I don't know how to edit, but can someone teach me? I will pay you. I'll pay you. But we need to do online to where I'm from. But guys, tell me down below where you guys from. I'm from Thailand. It's peaceful. Here's my main garden. This is my first garden. Actually, didn't check what I could get here. So let's go check. Okay, everything looks fine. Oh, jungle tree. Nice. Here's my moon milk. I have 2. Yeah, I'm willing to trade 1 moon milk. If you guys don't have any, I can. She still have one of the older ones called Moonlit. I haven't opened this garden for a couple of days ago. I opened Jesus! Oh! Wait, if it was you, nice. I feel like they have the same, but just 2. Let's see. What's this? How are you guys getting these? I don't even know, huh? Pro Max out his age. Cinemax. I mean, let me just boost it because I'm trying to get one advancement called the. I think it's the. Could you stop? It's thousands of days. Now let's finally. Now maybe it's good, so let's just feed him. What is this? I haven't used it in a long time. I should just grab everything in the garden yesterday. In the second one, I don't really use the first one. But let me see. So I'm trying. So can someone give me a mimic or a raccoon? I only need 1. I'm not begging. I'm just asking. Okay. I'm asking for one. I'm not trying to say I want every single one. Give me that. Do you think I'm stupid? I ain't that. Like, let me see. Let me see. So 100 pets. Mutate a golden lab. Give 5 dogs. Golden lab to dig. Golden lab to dig digs. Okay, let me see what is the hardest. Get 750 lucky duped with a giant ant. Get prey mammoths to perform send zone. I am in the new. Get a dragonfly to oh
ใครอ่ะ
you จะทำวิดีโอไง
โอ้คุยกับใครอ๋อทำวิดีโอ
ใช่หนูทำวิดีโอจาก YouTube เมื่อวานนี้เพิ่งโพสต์ No one is good. It was just right there. No one put. The person's actually pretty good. But let's see what's in the shop. Okay, it's a chocolate. I'm trying to get this though, so I can make it the egg. Oh no! I think it's a seed. Egg or a seed. If this restock sucks, I will poop my pants. I'm kidding. I'm not doing that. Please. Well, I'm going to do a giveaway if you basically know your trick. I don't know. But see you guys tomorrow. Have a nice day and good luck to you.